To all my chat family, welcome to today's topic, real talk and real conversation. Make sure you hit the like, and if you're new, subscribe to this channel. So today I wanted to do a video request, and this was by Miss 702, and she asked for me to talk about, the dealings women to women, the interpersonal relationship, the relationship between women. How can we get along? Because many times that I have seen that when it comes to women, it's like we're at each other's necks, or we're trying to get each other down or put each other down, or we're so busy being jealous of one another that we don't know how to just say, you have these beautiful qualities, or you're good at that. So, to all of the ladies, look at another woman and be happy for her. You don't know what she has gone through. Let's be a supportive community and network of women that can be inspired by the other's strengths and talents and gifts. But to start getting into this topic today, I think that it definitely takes, you have to know who you connect with. And I know that not every woman is going to be each other's cup of tea, because we all have different personalities. But when it comes to women, especially those that may have an overbearing personality or a strong personality, maybe the other person who feels kind of slighted or doesn't like it, you do have to speak up for yourself, because I've been in situations to where another woman may mean the best, but they're kind of a little controlling, try to control what you do, who you're around, and all of those things. So, we also have to understand that other women, even a woman who is younger than you, they still are grown. Make them make their own choices. You cannot control what they do, what they say, how they dress, how they talk. We have to also becoming accepting of other women, that just because maybe you have a certain mindset, it doesn't mean they do, or that they have the same focus as you do. So I think that it's very important as women for us to learn to get together, to have a positive talk and encouraging and lifting up one another. So when it comes to women, I definitely think first it has to start off by, what type of women are you talking about? Are you talking about toxic women, or are you talking about women who are healed, women who have put in the work, to start their lives over again, that they're not sitting down and making excuses? Because I know that there are so many women out there that are so strong and have been through so many obstacles. Not saying the men have not. I'm going to cover the men's relationship on a separate video, but I want to give my props to the ladies that have held it down. You know, women, we carry children. You deal with all kinds of um, issues when it comes to maybe your child's father, or just life in general, whether you worked, you didn't work, or you retired, or the day to day in the hustle and bustle of the work life. Dealing with other women is not always easy, but I think that first it has to start with open communication. Communication is the key to everything. And there are some people that just kind of stand in the background. They rather just like blend into the wall than to stand out, and those are the ones. Because I'm speaking that because I was that person that would rather blend into the wall than to uh, talk about what I was dealing with, but at the same time I was feeling miserable. So to all of you ladies too, don't be afraid. Even if somebody may have a very abrasive personality, or somebody just likes to be controlling of others, you do have to set boundaries. You have to set boundaries, but you can set boundaries with respect. You can set boundaries with kindness. You don't have to be domineering, and you don't have to be upset because maybe another woman may like that woman as well. Like in friendship, one thing that I definitely don't like is when there's a woman who's like probably very beautiful, very intelligent, has it going on in their work life. You know, they've got their education, they've climbed the either corporate or business ladder, and they're doing very well financially. And there's always somebody who wants to be jealous about their success. That success didn't come overnight, but that's a topic for another day. But we could be supportive of other women. We don't have to always be in the limelight and get the shine. What's meant for you is what's meant for you. And I think that the oil and water moments between women is because you're dealing with women who are toxic, controlling, unhealed. Some of them have some mental illness. They just need to get into some therapy. Some people need to be on some medication, but the ladies that have healed and matured and are reasonable, I think being reasonable is very important in dealing with other women. See, once you start working on yourself and you know yourself and you love yourself, you can look at another woman and say, they got it going on. They're doing their thing. I'm so happy for them. I'm proud of them. But I think the conflicts where, you know, two women or a group of women don't get along with somebody is because they see that they have done what that maybe that person is not willing to do. They actually got up again and kept fighting until they won, or they rose up. See, you don't know what has happened to a person. We never know what another person has dealt with in their past or what they're struggling with in their present. So, yeah, ladies, could we be a little kinder to one another instead of being resentful and nasty and bitter? It has not anything to do with color of the skin. I mean, ladies in general, no matter what your race is, no matter what is your financial status, no matter whether you have children, you don't have children, women, we really need to come together because, you know, there's a lot that we could learn. There's a lot that we could grow together. There's such inspiration that could be had if there is a healing first starting with yourself, and then you can learn, you can grow from another woman. We don't have to be intimidated by each other. We just have to be ourselves. So I hope that this conversation has answered your question, Miss 702. If not, I can always do a follow-up, a part two. Let me know in the comment section below. To all my chat family, especially the ladies, what is your sort of relationship with other women? Can you get along with other women, or are you just kind of like, like I'd rather stay by myself? Let me know in the comment section. You tuned into the Marlene Saunders Show, where we have real talk, real conversations, and you're welcome to it. If you have not subscribed, subscribe, turn on your notifications, and you won't miss when I upload a video or I go live with a podcast. I'll see you there.